All right, it says John runs at different speeds as part of his training program. The graph shows his target heart rate at different times during his workout. On which interval is his target heart rate strictly increasing, then strictly decreasing? So what we're looking for, remember that increasing as you read it left to right will look like, if you have a graph that does this, as you move to the left, as you go left to right, and it goes up, that is increasing, right? The y value is increasing as x increases. Okay? Now, if you have something that goes, as you read it from left to right and it goes down, that's decreasing. So that's what we're basically looking for, something that looks like this on the graph. Well, I think maybe, so for example, here it's increasing, here it's increasing, here it's increasing, and even here it's increasing. And then the decreasing is here, here, and then lastly it decreases here. So we got to find which one, and I'm guessing that it might be 40 to 60, like, but let's see if that's one of our choices. Yeah. See, I think that it's 40 to 60 because it increases and then it's strictly decreasing. It goes up at an angle and comes back down at an angle. So I think that's the answer. And that's just because it's going up and then it's coming down. Any questions on that?